Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. I am backyard grocery shopping today. And as you can see, I have plenty of peppers. So I'm going to harvest all my peppers today. Most of them, I'm trying to get most of them. It's hard to get all your vegetables. So I'm going to start over here and then I'm going to work my way down to the pepper lane because there's a lot of peppers over there as well. And you guys just stay with me. Make sure you guys drop me a line and let me know what you're still harvesting out in your garden. I know everybody's brassica season is thriving. So what I'm going to be doing probably in the next week or so, I'm going to be cleaning off the trellis area where the grapevines are growing, because that has gotten very messy and it's all of it is dying back right now. So yeah, I actually gave my peppers boost probably last week, gave them some fertilizer and they went crazy again. So don't think everything is gonna die around this time of the year, because you could give your veggies a nice boost and you could get another harvest out of them, you guys. This one is going crazy and it don't even care how it's growing. I really should have a stake on it, but I don't. Get over here. Got watermelon still trying to grow, you guys. There's a ton of them over here. So guys, I don't know what you guys' weather been like, but mine has been really, really nice. Last week it was hot. Today is beautiful. It's just nice and comfortable. Great day for walking and exercising. I told y'all this one is loaded. Alright, I think I'm getting most of them off of here. And a lot of times, you guys, the fruit will start getting a little smaller because the season is changing, but you still could get a good harvest. They may not be as big as you want them to be, but you still could get a harvest. So get them while they're small too. So right now, I'm just gonna focus on all these big yellow ones. And I'm gonna leave some of these little Tabasco peppers on here just a little bit longer, because I have some big Tabasco peppers on pepper lane that I could harvest, along with some jalapenos. I think I'm gonna just dice these up and pickle them up and just jar them. I gotta get behind here. Shoot, that was looked like it was attaching itself to the Tabasco. That's kind of weird. So yeah, I'll give the little peppers a little bit more time. But these are actually good to pickle too. Well, you guys, I think I cleaned this one off really good. It's funny how you see things, and then when you're up on it, you don't see it, and then when you move away, you see more. Shoot, that's not a bad harvest, you guys. Loaded with peppers. All right, you guys, let's get on over here down to the other pepper lane. Okay, you guys, I'm getting some of my tender greens and my lettuce over here, and I can see it. Ant bed done created itself down here, so I ain't gonna fool with that too much. I'm gonna leave him be. But I want to get as much of the lettuce and tender greens that surround it, and then I'll come in and I'll throw some diatomaceous earth or some other kind of repellent to slow them little suckers down. But that is the tender green harvest. There you go. All right, you guys, so let's get on over to the other side. Hey, you guys, remember I said my eggplants on the other side was looking kind of ratchet? They wasn't that ratchet after all. They was pretty good over there in that corner. I just had to move some things around, so I got 3 pretty ones. So now we got to get all these big mamma jammas over here. Ooh-wee. Very nice size. This one is super, super huge. So they did produce, but they produced late again. I'm gonna get this other one. It's a nice size, so I'm gonna get this other one that's down here and free up that energy so it could go to producing some more. And I'm not gonna harvest any of the, hold on you guys, get you guys up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is get all my peppers, there's most peppers on this side, and I'm still gonna leave this to continue to grow, and I will just start harvesting off of this as the days go by. But that is the eggplant harvest. Yay! All right, you guys, let's get down to the pepper lane. All right, you guys, hot peppers, hot peppers. These went crazy on this side. All right, let's get some of these jalapenos. Jalapenos look like they're slowing down some. And I still got a lot of little Tabascos over here. I tend to go and get the bigger peppers. Alright. Okay. So this is the one that didn't do too good. But I could get this pepper off. He's a small one. Let's get this big mama jam over here. Yay! And there's another one. Not bad, not bad, not bad. But again, I definitely want to do better on my bell peppers. So that's not bad for a combination of peppers. Pretty good, right, you guys? So, all right, you guys. Let's go and wrap this harvest up and see what we're working with. All right, you guys, so this is my completion of my end of October harvest, you guys, and I would say not bad at all. So I wound up with 2 nice green peppers. Maybe I'll get some more, but again, I said I'm gonna do my best to work a little bit harder to get more production out of my bell peppers, the different variety of bell peppers. But I enjoyed my other hot pepper harvest, and these always I feel that these are prolific. They just always produce really, really well. Don't ask me the name of them because I don't remember. They may be peconis, not sure. They may be jalapenos, but just the yellow ones as well. But I wound up getting 7 eggplants. Is it 7? No, I got 8. And I will share this with my neighbor, and I will give her this basket of fresh greens and lettuce, and that completes my harvest for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope everyone is still having great harvests. Okay, all right, you guys. Esikhomesteddah, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.